Hello students, in the previous class I was taught first physiographic division, the Himalayan mountain. Now in this class is the second physiographic division, the northern plain. The northern plain is formed by three major rivers. Three major rivers, Indus River, Indus River and its tributaries. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bees, and Satluj. Indus River and its tributaries, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beer and Satluj. It's originated on Himalayas mountain. It's a second river, Ganga River, Ganga River originated Gangotri Glacier. Ganga and its tributaries, Yamuna, Gandak, Chambal, Son, Twa, Kosi, and etc. And next, Brahmaputra River. Brahmaputra River originated Mansarovar Lake. Brahmaputra and its tributaries, is Majuli, and Lohit. So students, our northern plain made by three major rivers, Indus River and its tributaries, Ganga River, and Brahmaputra River. Ganga River and its tributaries, and Brahmaputra River and its tributaries. And after that, Ganga and Brahmaputra, both river made a larger delta, making a larger delta. It's a Ganga Brahmaputra delta. So our northern plain has three parts: western part, middle part, and eastern part. Western part made by Indus River, middle part is made by Ganga River, and eastern part made by Brahmaputra River. It's a also fertile soil. Ganga River and northern plain is the made by fertile soil. It's a found alluvial soil. It's a Gangetic plain. It's a very dense populated areas and adequate water supply, and climate is favorable also. So our northern plain is the formed by major three river. And after that, and third physiographic division, the Great Indian Desert. Great Indian Desert. Our country has two types of desert: desert and cold desert. Hot desert is also called Thar desert. Thar desert is lies in the western part of Rajasthan. And Rajasthan is the Great Indian Desert. It's a vast stretch of sand and various types of sand dunes. Hot desert is also called Thar desert. It's only one river found here. It's a Luni River. Luni River originated of the Aravalli ranges. Luni River.